the Nick. You know?
Yes.
The Nick, his video, if you see, you will become mad. He does everything any physically alright a fit man does. He does. He dives. He swims. No hands, no legs. And a multi-billionaire from Australia origin. Nick. He's owning more than 6-7 companies. Please understand. See some of the people lifestyle, life stories. There are a lot of physically challenged people today. They achieve. They go to Olympic. I saw recently, hand nahi. Only with the single hand. She is winning all the games, one leg winning games. What is our problem? Our problem is mainly we refuse to learn, refuse to change, refuse to accept. The main thing is our problem, attitude. Attitude. Your problem is only attitude. आपका सोच नहीं बदले तो बिजनेस नहीं आएगा. फर्स्ट आपका सोच बदलो. आपको क्या चाहिए DXN? What do you want in DXN? You have to decide. Why you have come to DXN? आप क्यों आ गए? Why DXN? Why you have come? Health. Yes. Somebody wants health. Somebody wants wealth.
Recognition.
Somebody wants happiness.
Identity.
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 Then
Recognition.
money.
Wealth.
Money. Yes. Recognition. Then
Future security.
Then what are
Legacy
time
income.
freedom, time, security, legacy,
World tour.
travel,
Early retirement.
pardon,
Early retirement.
early retirement. You want to retire in
Social work.
social cause. ये तो हाँ? You want to own enterprise, entrepreneur. हाँ?
Entrepreneur.
और you can find thousands of causes.
Yes.
There is no end. Ultimately, you want to be
Freedom.
free. Freedom. Freedom is not free. Because lot of people think that freedom should क्या है? किसी ने करेंगे, हम free होंगे. That is the problem. You want to be free, you have to pay the
Price.
price. You have to pay a big price. You want to be free. Without paying price, you cannot be free. Anything, any profession, trade, job, employment, anything. How many of you want to be a owner or worker?
Be owner.
ऐसा आप मालिक बनना है नौकर बनना है? Why that is a big issue. A lot of people mindset is network marketing को आने के बाद while they come to network marketing they think that they are a worker. First you must change that attitude. If you don't change that you will never be successful. 5 बरस 10 बरस 20 बरस भी रहो कोच भी नहीं खाली हाथ है. क्यों? Your mentality is worker. Because the worker always will have a boss. to decide what you want. And so you have to have first, because you are all working. The problem is you are all working. And you come to this sector with the same attitude. This industry with the same attitude. I am a worker here. You know, Dr. Lim is the owner. I am a worker. Our company people are owners. They are also employed. And here, you want to be rich. You want to be a millionaire. We have come here, first thing, another thing, you must understand, we have come here to come out of poverty and move towards richness. ऑर्डिनरी आप खाना पीना है तो यहाँ डीएक्सन में नहीं आओ. कितना लोग आ गए हैं खाना पीने के लिए डीएक्सन को? बहुत लोग आते हैं, मुझे मालूम. क्या लंच मिलेंगे, क्या चाय मिलेंगे, क्या बिस्किट मिलेंगे, क्या फ्री मिलेंगे. फ्री मेंटालिटी आप कभी भी नहीं कमाएंगे. कमाने के पहले वो फ्री मेंटालिटी को बाहर फेंकना. मालूम ना, फ्री मेंटालिटी आप नहीं कमाते. एंड यू मस्ट मूव टुवर्ड्स ओनरशिप एटीट्यूड. यू आर नॉट ए वर्कर ओनर. And think like an entrepreneur, businessman, business leader. छोटा बिजनेस हो, बड़ा बिजनेस हो, मिडिल साइज बिजनेस हो, कितना बड़ा बिल गेट का बिजनेस हो. Everything is enterprise is an enterprise, entrepreneur. You must think that you want to be an entrepreneur.
Right.
If you want to be an entrepreneur, what are all the qualities of an entrepreneur? First thing, you must stop waiting for order. Waiting for order. आज ज्वाइन हो गया है, फॉर्म भर दिया, आईडी मिला, घर को जाकर सो गया, नेक्स्ट डे जॉब को गया, और हो गया months after, I am seeing 0 PVs. Where is the entrepreneur? Where is ownership? ओनर चुपके बैठेंगे. अभी कितना ओनर्स है आप देखिए, कितना दुकान है, कितना ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस है, कितना इंडस्ट्रीज है, छोटा हो बड़ा हो. वो क्या सुबह उठकर वो 24 का 24 hours business will think how much today after opening the shutter what you will see, कितना माल है, कितना स्टॉक है, कितना सेल्स हो गया है कल तक. What is the net? Every day they will calculate. Before opening balance कितना है गल्ला में, closing balance कितना है, next कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है ऑर्डर देना है. This is a business, same business here in a different way. आपको शॉप नहीं है, गल्ला नहीं है, बैठना नहीं है, एम्प्लॉय नहीं है, ओवरहेड नहीं है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. इस तरह का ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग. आई एम एक्साइटेड ऑलवेज व्हेन आई कम टू गल्फ कंट्रीज. एवरीवेयर फैंटास्टिक ऑफिसेस. शारजा देखिए, अबू धाबी देखिए, कहीं गए. I am seeing Oman, such a big multi-store. Now they have like a mall they have opened. Muscat office, 3-story. You can take the basket, go to like a shopping mall, shop DXN product members, DXN distributors. Because Arabs want that. They don't want to stand in the counter and usko dijiye. They want to touch and see. This is the first model they started that. It may happen in other countries also. You can go with a shopping basket with hundreds of DXN products. Go to the counter, see the coffee, see the price. How is the coffee? Coffee box, whether you want 2-in-1, 3-in-1, or 3 means, spirulina cereal. Anything you can touch and see and put into the basket. That means what a kind of business changes, but इसमें इस तरह होने के बाद भी वी आर नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग. What is your problem? I can't understand why the people don't succeed here. What is their problem? Their problem is mental problem, attitude. Only दिमाग का समस्या problem. कुछ भी नहीं है. अरे यार हमने कितना लोगों ने यहाँ से वीजा लेने के लिए लाखों रुपए देकर आया है, मुझे मालूम है. लाखों रुपया वीजा के लिए. लाखों नहीं, हजारों नहीं, जीरो इन्वेस्टमेंट तो भी काम नहीं करता. कोई हेडेक नहीं है. कितना हेडेक होना एक बिजनेस को रन. हमको मालूम है एक अस्पताल को रन करने के लिए डॉक्टर को एक कितना, ये अपोलो के तरह बड़ा बड़ा कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल नहीं है. छोटा छोटा नर्सिंग को रन करना कितना मुश्किल है. कितना सैक्रिफाइस लेना. मेरी वाइफ being a doctor hospital, I know the stress. I was an employee. Working as a professor is also an employee.
Yeah.
I am not a owner. I am working for some institution, university. They are deciding my salary, deciding my income. मैंने जब 2 गोल्ड मेडल लिया MA BA इकोनॉमिक्स में, मैंने सोचा मैंने अमीर बन गया. क्यों गोल्ड मेडल? पैसा नहीं. ये गोल्ड मेडल मिले तो सभी ने, किसी ने मुझे बताया, ओह you will become a big man, study well, get the rank, go to a job. मैं भी सोचा, ये जॉब को गए तो हमको बहुत बड़ा लाइफ चेंज हो. और 30 वर्ष हो गया मुझे खाली पॉकेट से पैसा बाहर आना. Any employee, he cannot be rich. Through employment, he cannot be rich. That first thing you must have in your mind before you think as an entrepreneur owner. Employee cannot be rich anywhere in the world. Unless you are director come CEO, they also get salary. Ambani gets salary. This annual package is 55 crores, 70 crores, in addition to profit. Otherwise, you can never be rich. Few thousand or few lakh, whatever it means. It took, I joined for 575 rupees, that was the salary, government salary. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. UGC salary, before UGC came, that time UGC was not there.
Yeah.
Local government salary, 575, lecturer, assistant professor, big name. What is the salary? 575. Then 1,000 rupees salary जब गया हमको बहुत खुश. 4 figure. Everybody was telling bank employees this. 4 figure 1970 coming. 4 figure salary means big income in India. 4 figure salary. That is above 1,000 rupees. 4 figure. Because we thought that we will be rich. It has not happened after 4 figure. 4 figure, 5 figure, 6 figure. It took 30 years. 5 pay commission, 6 pay commission. Now 7th, 8th came. Every revision, a few 100 rupees jump. My big jump came while I was retiring. My colleagues said, I retired at 2003, 30,000 gross. Then next division for our cadre, HOD, seniors with 30 years service jumped suddenly to nearing 80, 90,000 1 lakh. Everybody said he is a fool. 30,000 से 1 लाख तनख्वाह पर जोड़ कर गए प्रोफेसर ने. ये तो उसका दिमाग ठीक नहीं. किसी ने जादू किया है. मलेशिया वो डॉक्टर लिम ने उसको काला जादू किया। काफी चाय बेचने के लिए, क्या काफी चाय बेचने के लिए प्रोफेसर का गोल्ड मेडल चाहिए? आई नो व्हाट इज दैट इन दिस इंडस्ट्री। मैंने सोचा 30 वर्ष के बाद में माई गरीबी से नहीं मरना। गरीबी से मीन्स वी आर नॉट मिलेनियर्स, मिडिल क्लास। I was seeing the pressure of children education, pressure of hospital running. There is no net income to get. We should work freely. I also used to work with my wife because I am the one of the director of nursing home.
Yeah.
कॉलेज के बाद में यहाँ भी काम करना, वहाँ भी काम करना, कितना जगह में काम करना, कैसा कितना पैसा है लास्ट में? पैसा नहीं, क्या हो गया? सभी पैसा एक्सपेंडिचर हो गया। टंका देना, ये देना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, मेंटेनेंस, ओह मैड। और कुछ काम करना, और कुछ काम करना, और कुछ, बिकॉज सभी जगह से थोड़ा इकट्ठा करना। लास्ट में हमने सोचा the only way we have to go risk free industries, काम करने को तैयार, गधा के तरह काम। गधा बनना चाहते हैं आप काम में?
Yes.
Yes.
वो कोई गधा को वो बात है, कितना भी लोड लगाओ ओके जाते ही रहेंगे। 24 आवर्स। आई वॉज रेडी, 5 बरस 10 बरस गधा के तरह काम। बाद में मुझे फ्रीडम मिला। आई स्टार्टेड। आप सोच भी नहीं थे कि आप कितना लोग बताते हैं देख सुने पैसा नहीं है ना ना, आप लोगों ने मैड है, मीन्स यू आर इलिटरेट। लोग बताते हैं यहाँ पैसा नहीं। अरे पैसा कमाना है, पैसा कहाँ से देंगे, कौन देंगे? ऑफिस फ्री, ओवरहेड फ्री, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फ्री, काउंटर एम्प्लॉयज फ्री। कितना एम्प्लॉयज को लगाया डॉक्टर लिम ने? वो सैलरी, वी डोंट हैव एनी हेडेक। Either Matthew gives, Lim gives, we are royally coming and sitting in the boardroom. Imagine. तो भी आप एग्जिट नहीं होंगे तो कहां से कमाएंगे? पैसा कहां से बरसात होंगे? That's what they are thinking. Network marketing. कमाना है. You have to earn. You have to earn. मुझे मालूम था, मुझे कन्वेंशनल बिजनेस का हेडेक नहीं हुआ, मुझे कोई एम्प्लॉइज नहीं हुआ। 5,000 करोड़ मेरा टीम करता है। 5,000 करोड़ मन में आप सोच भी नहीं। 5,000 करोड़ सेल्स। कोई एम्प्लॉय है मुझे, कोई हेडेक है, वरीज है, कुछ भी नहीं है। क्यों? ये इंडस्ट्री में आपको कोई भी लायबिलिटी नहीं है। ऐसा कमाए तो भी आपको लायबिलिटी नहीं है, पैसा नहीं कमाए तो भी लायबिलिटी नहीं। आपके हाथ कुछ चले जाएंगे। लोगों ने घर को बेचता है, इसको बेचता है, ड्यूअल बेचता है, छोटा मोटा बिजनेस के लिए, बैंक से लोन लेने के लिए आओ। आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज इजी हियर नोवेयर। कितना लोगों को हमने ये दे देना सिक्योरिटी। He was asking while I was first starting our profession, my wife's clinic को इंडिया में that time चिकमंगलुरु small clinic. We wanted only 50,000 loan. 50,000 small charter.
Yes, sir.
टेबल चार लेने के लिए,
Yeah.
रेंट को एडवांस देने के, उसे 50 वर्ष के पहले
जी
10,000 15,000 एडवांस, रेंट से भी कम था। वो बैंक मैनेजर ने बताया आप सिक्योरिटी लाना। मैंने से मेरे साथ सिक्योरिटी नहीं, मैं ही सिक्योरिटी। आई एम ए गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, माय वाइफ इज अ डॉक्टर। नो, यू हैव टू गिव मी ए सिक्योरिटी। उसको हिलाए तो पैसा गिरना। मैंने बताया ये बेवकूफ, किसी को हिलाए तो पैसा गिरना है तो मैं वहां से निकलूंगा, आपको कैसा मैं आऊंगा? बैंक को आना है, मैं उसको डांट कर मार रहा है। Nobody will. While I saw this industry, I was excited.
Yeah.
कितना भी कमा सकता है, लाइबिलिटी मेरे ऊपर नहीं है, रिस्क नहीं है, इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, ओवरहेड नहीं है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. कोरोना वी डोंट वरी बिकॉज ये रिस्क कुछ भी नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Why should I worry?
Great, sir. Yeah.
दूसरा लोगों ने वो एसेट गया, शॉप गया, ऑफिस गया, रेंट नहीं दे सकता है, माल नहीं बेच सकता है, बंद करके सभी बंद हो गया, फैक्ट्रीज बंद हो गया. मेरा बंद हो गया कभी? थोड़ा दिन हमने रेस्ट लिया, ऑनलाइन वो भी चलाया. आरबीसी डेली ट्रेनिंग मोटिवेशन, हमारा वॉल्यूम नहीं गिरा.
Yes.
कहीं का भी हमने इंडिया का वॉल्यूम यहाँ का भी है, स्मॉल डिफरेंस. सम पीपल लेफ्ट in the country because of that. Otherwise, our volume is not that. We are very excited. कोरोना का पीरियड में 1920, 2021, direct selling industry has done highest sales all over.
Yes.
Imagine, हमने न्यू रिकॉर्ड बनाया 30 करोड़ महीने. फर्स्ट टाइम we reached that amount during कोरोना. बिकॉज सबको बताया आप बचना है तो कनाडा पकाओ, नहीं तो मर जाएंगे. कनाडा सभी बिकॉज कोरोना को कोई अल्टरनेटिव है. प्रिवेंशन, न्यूट्रिशन, इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाओ, यूज करो. And this came as another opportunity to us to promote our business. No headache. सभी ओके ठीक है, एक महीने बिजनेस ये हो गया. यहाँ नहीं तो अफ्रीका, अफ्रीका नहीं तो अमेरिका, अमेरिका नहीं तो कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जापान, जर्मनी, कहीं से भी बोनस आता है. डीएक्सएल कहाँ है, वहां से हमको इनकम कहीं भी मिलता है, प्रमोट करे तो. इमेजिन, even the countries who are lagged, very lot of problems, but DXN is running. Yemen, still there is still lot of problems. DXN is running. Iraq, a new record I am told. I asked Salim, Iraq is doing extremely well, Professor, he said. Sales are booming. Iran is booming. Imagine. Wherever human beings are there, DXN is running. इसमें हमको क्या रिस्क है, क्या वरीज है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? थोड़ा मुंह को खोलना. वो नहीं खोलेंगे हमने भैया. थोड़ा बात. You have to talk to the people, talk to the people, talk to the people, talk to the people. We call it TTP. TTP. Talk to the people. Without, this is a talking business. कितना लोगों के साथ आप बातें करेंगे, सभी आमिर नहीं बनेंगे, सभी काम नहीं करेंगे. Everybody will not become rich. For that also you must be ready. Everybody will not work. Yes, you must be ready. Many people are negative. Yes, you must be ready. That is the industry. This industry is like that. Because there is nothing, nobody will believe. अरे यार ऑफिस नहीं है, एम्प्लॉइज नहीं है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, ओवरहेड नहीं है, वैसा काम है. पागल है ये लोग. दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड until they come and sit here or use the product. Hence naturally people don't believe. Yes, eliminate, filter. Don't waste your time with negative people. Don't waste your time. इसलिए हमारे लोग क्या करते हैं, जो स्टॉक्स नेगेटिव एवरी डे दे फॉलो दे रहे हैं. नेगेटिव वो नहीं आएंगे. अरे यार एक बार आओ, एक बार कनाडा में आओ, देखो कैसे वो नहीं भागते हैं, उसके पीछे आप भागते हैं. वो भागो 10 बरस वो भागने नहीं हो गए.
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
It will never happen. As you should not go behind the people who are running. We don't want it. Be professional. Be an entrepreneur. Be a owner. Owner किसी के पीछे भागेंगे? नहीं. They put the condition. You want to be an entrepreneur, you cannot run behind people. You have to professionally. You must talk to them professionally. You must increase your, first thing is आपका सेल्फ इमेज जब तक नहीं बढ़ेंगे, योर सेल्फ एस्टीम, मैडम आपका सेल्फ इमेज को बढ़ाना, आप बिल गेट बनना है तो बिल गेट की तरह ही एक्ट करना, मालूम हो गया ना। टाटा बिरला बनना है तो टाटा बिरला की एटीट्यूड, अंबानी बनना है तो अंबानी, वो क्या ये लोगों का सेल्फ इमेज या सेल्फ एस्टीम कैसे कैसा होंगे, ये ऐसे so you are a good student, no found that because what I was getting something will slip up. So what I am telling is you must have first of all that kind of self image, self esteem, स्वाभिमान, आत्माभिमान। ये स्वाभिमान आत्माभिमान नहीं हो गए तो हम ये फील्ड में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होंगे। बिकॉज ये क्या बताता है, किसी ने उसको आपको डांट दिया, वो होता है बेवकूफ है, ये वो है, वो सभी होता है। अबे आप 10 लाख कमाने के समय सभी से लूट डालेंगे, मुझे भी वही हो गया, आपको भी वही हो गया। अबे वो लोगों ने ऑल आर ब्रोक, माय कलीग्स, they are retired at 70s, they are struggling with pension. कोरोना के पीरियड में ये अस्पताल को आईसीयू को हो गए तो हार्ट अटैक में मर गए, बिकॉज बाहर आने के लिए 20 लाख चाहिए। They don't have savings, they don't have asset, they don't have investment. क्यों? मुझे नहीं सुना, मैंने बताया रिटायर होने के पहले थोड़ा करो, 50 बरस हो गया ठीक है, और 10 बरस हमका दिमाग को ठीक करके काम कर सकता है, कमा सकता है। 50 years okay, didn't do anything. How many people are there above 50? Many of you are younger, I know.
Yeah.
Below 50. 50 के ऊपर कितना लोग हैं? ये 50 years के ऊपर, आप सभी 50 हैं, वेरी गुड। Nothing lost, another 10 years. Will you change your attitude? Another 10 बरस कमाने में। आप अमीर हो तो छोड़िए, यहाँ आने की जरूरत नहीं। आप अमीर नहीं है इसीलिए आपको पैसा कमाना है, तो अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, अनदर 10 बरस में आपका टोटल लाइफ को आप चेंज कर सके आपके हाथ में। मैंने 1999 में निर्णय किया, 98-99 DXN को इंडिया को लाना। कहां से? मलेशिया से। किसी को हिम्मत नहीं था उतना रिस्क उठाना, आपको सभी रेडी करके दिया है। ये तो आइसक्रीम है, आपके हाथ में आइसक्रीम बना कर दिया है, नहीं खाए तो वो पानी होंगे। खोलने के लिए कितना हिम्मत होना, किसी को भी हिम्मत नहीं। नया कंपनी, नया प्रोडक्ट, डॉक्टर लिम किसी को मालूम नहीं है, घेनाडर्मा क्या है मालूम नहीं है। लोगों ने बताया पागल, ये सभी लोग क्या मशरूम बिजनेस, दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस मशरूम। हमने एनालाइज करके हिम्मत डाला। वी वांटेड टू ओपनिंग बैट्समैन को हिम्मत होना है ना, नहीं तो एक बार में आउट। स्ट्रॉन्ग फेलो को ओपनिंग बैट्समैन को डालता है, ये चक्का मारना, सेंचुरी मारना, नहीं तो दूसरा लोगों को नर्वस हो गए। ओपनिंग में तेंदुलकर आउट हो गए तो and we know that this is a tough sector. Nobody was knowing. While we started, we have launched in 2000, nothing was there. There was a business. One is small place. Small, Dr. Ling said that at least my rent must, this building rent आएंगे कुछ. Monthly rent, salary नहीं, I will pay 1 year. But rent and some fixed cost, rent, electricity, water bill, all these maintenance, क्या ये चलेंगे? I told sir, I have confidence from the day one, we will make profit because the product is great. But give me some time, 3 to 6 months. Within 3 months, we reached 30 million Indian rupees. 3 months. Only 3 months. That's the business. Launching day, 17,000 people. Launching, not one person. This is not one person business. This is not 2 people, 3 people business. This is not 5, 10 people business. At least hundreds of people in your team must be ready to join you. Bring them. Then only you can find out who will work, who will not work. 17,000 people. Launching day, my team. The first code, the code के नीचे, first ID के नीचे. We reach 500,000 rupees in just 5.5 months. 500,000, 5 lakhs. You say that then just 3.5 months, 4 months. Could you understand? I paid the price. 2 years I was working to make the business ready. Tayari karna, preparation. Simply you join today. Some sponsor sponsored you, and पैसा आएंगे. कहाँ से पैसा आएंगे? चोरी करना, डाकू करना. Casino mentality in network marketing. Please don't work like that. Race mentality. They want lottery mentality.
Yeah.
Lottery makes how many people will become millionaires? Somebody will get. लाखों करोड़ों में. Let me try my luck. No luck here. Work.
Yes.
That is the only secret.
Yeah.
Work, not the luck. We know that we have to work very hard, very systematically to build the wallet. 30 years my salary, 30 years accumulated, totally 575 rupees to 30,000. Full add करें तो 30 बरस का तनख्वाह कितना होंगे? उसको भी ज्यादा हमने 1 बरस से कमाया. 30 years income, salary income, 1 year income. 1 year, that was not my fire. To believe. Simply I have not come. Simply had I come, DXN story I would not have been in my hand. We have to, so aggressively we went. Open toughest market. One of the toughest market to be opened, Dubai. Nobody has, oldest 100 years old company was not there. Why we opened it? They are not ready to come here. Law is not clear. Haram ka paisa, wo hai, ye hai. So many, because they are unable to convince the authority. We went bold. Show DXN what is the product, how it is good for health, what is the business opportunity. This is a business center, world business center. All people from the world come here and invest and do the business. Why should we not our business also happen here? We thought, that is the vision. And a small place, single room, Karama. Not before Karama, there near Karama, that flat. believe that these people were starting, we cannot do it. Means this business, but we had the vision. This business will grow big. We will make it big. Today, we are the number one in direct selling industries in Middle East. Do you know that? Whoever comes, they may make a big noise. They don't have sales. Please understand. We are the highest sales in the Middle East. Number one direct selling company in Middle East. Today, direct selling conference, we are 15 people. Maybe our remaining company, one person, one representative. We are 15. And our second position in the Middle East is not doing even 20% of our sales. A DSA company. This is DSA company. We don't talk about other companies. We don't have any, because it is not our work. We talk about us, our growth, our income, our expansion. अभी आप कभी भी सोच सकता है 15 रैंक दुनिया में DXN होने के बाद भी आप नींद करता है, कब काम करेंगे बताओ? Top 100 comes in 15 rank. We are going to be shortly 10 rank. Even this year, the best direct selling award in Malaysia is given by the Ministry of Trade and Commerce to DXN. How many direct selling companies are there? Why the best company award to DXN? Because our product works. Our product is the best. Our leadership is the best. Our company is the best. Payout is the best. Our security is the best. Even in this, we are expanding, investing. Dr. Lim, factory is coming. I went and saw the place for Jabal Ali. 55,000 square feet. Ready now, immediately, temporary, this is to start. 5 sheds. Government is given to DXN. DXN board is that. DXN Food Manufacturing LLC. 2XN Food Manufacturing UAE LLC. Why are you not excited? When you make money, my dear friend, अभी भी काम कर रहे थे और नहीं कर रहे तो कभी करेंगे आप? You will be sitting like this only. One day DXN becomes number 1 in the world. We have the highest sale all over the world. We are the highest earners in DXN. And आप रोते ही रहे. क्यों? काम शुरू नहीं किया. Time is money. Every minute is there. Now I don't work for tomorrow. I don't worry about yesterday. I work for today because I am alive today. Tomorrow I don't know. Tomorrow I have hope that I will be. I am alive. Again tomorrow also I work like that. Today is my last day. Why are you not working? While the opportunity is in your hand, you are simply sitting with the negatives. Somebody said this, somebody, अरे देखो आंखों से. Factory is coming, 100 acres of land, government is ready to give. What a beautiful, in a small country. India is a big story because it is a big country. Big population. Dr. Lim can bet. 140 crore, 1,400 million. They can, any company can bet because there are consumers, demand and supply, economics. That's why everybody wants to invest in India. This is a small place. And Dr. Lim also wants to invest in Saudi Arabia. कितना factories कहाँ आएंगे? Small countries in Bangladesh. Anybody is there? Bangladesh? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Already the work is going on. Factory will be ready by January, February.
Sure.
Your spirulina, Canada, everything manufactured there. Initially.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
They are working, lot of 100 products will be there. Even Nepal. Nepal will be factory. Any Nepal is here?
Yes.
Yes. Why are you sitting simple? You don't want money like Damana, Banu Bhakta Damana? Girls सभी बना कर वो खुशी से आया हवा में everything you do. Lot of Nepalese have done very well in DXN. They are earning very well. Time is the money. Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, anybody from Pakistan, there are also factories going to come. Imagine Dr. Lim's investment. The biggest factory in the world will be India, bigger than Malaysia. Bigger than Malaysia. He has declared India will be the world headquarter of DXN. That is why we are fired up. We are working very hard. We give 100, I told Dr. Lim, I will give 100 crores per month. Make India HP. 1,000 crores, that is my mission. Per month 1,000 crore. We can make even $1 billion every month in India. It is an opportunity. 1 billion. That's why he has invested, 500 crore. 5,000 million. 5,000 million? In India rupees. Factory is getting ready. What I am telling is, DXN is growing so fast. All over the globe. It is not the story of India, it is not the story of the Middle East, it is the story of Europe, America, everywhere. Mexico, there are factories. DXN. Why are you not getting excited even with all this? Any risk to you? 500 crore investment. कोई हमको चिंता है नींद डॉक्टर लिम को नहीं आता है बिकॉज वो पैसा डाला है हमको बहुत अच्छा नींद आता है हमको ओनली पैसा उठाना प्रॉफिट उठाना दैट्स ऑल and so naturally yes
I have a question.
yes at the end please at the end I will give you for your
About the DXN product, it is available in Amazon as well.
yes I will come to you
Yeah,
I will
just
come
wanted
to
to know.
you
Thank you.
you just see madam is free you was Usman
Yeah.
madam ko bolo see now you don't worry about Amazon nothing. What is the sales of Amazon? I am an economist, I say. Amazon now, 25 years Amazon, Amway product is sold, this product is sold, Herbalife is sold, Forever Living is sold, New Skin is sold, every MLM company. But you ask them, you want 100 pieces of soap or paste or 1,000 pieces, will they give? Some stupid fellow maybe trying to push 1 or 2 products, 3 products. It is not 0.0001% of our sales. But it happens, it is illegal. We are fighting for that, I am not justifying. Don't worry about Amazon. You see, Amazon, we can't sell direct selling, it is only one-on-one. I have to talk to the people. Amazon, who buys? Some stupid member himself may be buying a little cheaper, he may get. And our promotion is very professional on the team, consumers,